guys, today I just make a keychain for my dad, and I'm going to show you how to make this keychain by your own. Step 1, pick a keychain that you want. I'm gonna pick a rabbit. Step 2, pick a color that you like. Step 3, you have to squeeze this thing towards where you want to put it. Step 4, don't even put it a lot, you can just spread it. But if you don't have that much, then you just put some more. Okay, so when you've done your painting, you have to wait for, you take a fan, then you have to dry for 2 minutes. Then here it is, you have your own keychain. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Bye. Assalamualaikum.